Okay, good afternoon ladies and gents. So we're going to go with rates of reaction number 3, and this time round we're going to measure the rate of reaction by looking at a mass change. So what I'm going to react now is going to be some hydrochloric acid and some calcium carbonate. Okay, so hydrochloric acid and calcium carbonate powder. What I've done is I've pre-measured 10 grams of my calcium carbonate, which I'm just going to pour into my conical flask now. And I've measured 100 centimetres cubed of my hydrochloric acid, which comes to a mass of 100 grams as well. So the starting mass of all of this together is going to be 110 grams. Now that's really, really important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the hydrochloric acid into here. As soon as I pour it in, I'm going to start the stopwatch, and then every 10 seconds we're going to record the mass on the balance, okay? So what I want you to do right now is design a results table to measure the time and the mass for this experiment. Okay, so you should have had time to do that. This is what your table should look like. Here is what I prepared earlier. So what I'm going to do is start this off. So our starting mass is 110 grams, and ready, set, go. Oops. Okay, so every 10 seconds I'm going to start recording it. It's literally spitting everywhere. Okay, so 105.5, 105.32, so you can see as we're going with this, so 105.13, we're seeing that the mass is clearly decreasing as time goes with this. Okay, 104.99. So I just had to wash my hands. Why did I have to wash my hands? 104.94. 104.93. 104.91, 104.85, and 104.85. Okay, ladies and gents, so as I went along there, I was recording the mass. Hopefully you can see that there was a very big drop in mass to start with, a very quick, a very vigorous reaction. It literally bubbled all over the place. I ended up with acid on my hand and then had to get rid of it, okay? And then as the reaction progressed, that rate of reaction started to decrease, so it got slower. I'd like you to have a little bit of a think about why it got slower. So think about it in terms of particles and what was going on with the amount of reactants and the amount of products, and especially in terms of frequency of collisions. So what I'd now like you to do is to draw a graph of these results, and then we'll discuss the conclusion.